Hello guys, hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want to show you how I prepare my aloe vera oil. And for this oil I only use my aloe vera leaf, that is this one, and my avocado oil, that is that one. Only those two ingredients to make my oil. So why do I choose avocado oil? I choose this because this oil really penetrates into my hair cuticles and the moisturization stays longer on my hair. It makes my hair soft and it adds beautiful shine on my hair. The aloe vera itself is a great plant to use on your hair. The juice in it will give your hair a lot of hydration. It will make your hair soft. So that's why I thought if I can mix those two together, what can I benefit from it? So 2 months ago I made my first oil just to test it on my hair and see if the mix of it will be good to my hair, because sometimes you need to be careful when mixing two products together, because sometimes certain products cannot work together. So I just made it to test on my hair and everything is fine. My hair is so much more softer and moisturized, and the shine of it is just perfect. It really moisturizes my hair very well. And yeah, so, and I also have this this bottle, that is where I'm gonna apply the oil. If you can see, there's some leftover from my previous oil that I've made. So this is where I'm gonna apply the oil. So first thing first, I'm gonna make sure that I wash my aloe vera leaf. I'm not gonna use the entire leaves. I'm gonna cut this into two and I'm gonna use one side of the leaf. And I'm also gonna make sure I slide this away, the sharp part, and then I cut it into small pieces. I'm gonna cut it off camera and then I'm gonna show you how I mix the oil and the aloe vera leaf together. It's very easy, but I just want to let you see the step that I'm doing. So you can do it by yourself, you can do it at home. Just choose your favorite oil and do this together. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I'm gonna leave the skin on it, because the skin has a lot of vitamin. Yeah, we are gonna keep the skin. I left the skin the last time that I did my first oil, so I'm gonna leave it today. So yes, let's get started. Alright guys, this is how I cut my aloe vera leaf. I just like to cut it in small pieces, and like I said, it is just the half side of the leaf. I didn't use all the leaf. So now I'm just gonna pour that into a pan and add my oil into it.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no.
I left my oil cool down for a few minutes, and then I used my strainer to separate the oil from the aloe vera, and this is how the end result looks like. From here I'm gonna put the oil into my brown bottle and add 3 drops of peppermint oil, and I always like to use peppermint oil in my oil or my shampoo because it increases blood flow and stimulates hair growth. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding the making of this oil, please leave your comment behind, and I'm gonna thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.
Pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you